As today we'll talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your 7-Eleven app. All you have to do in the first just click on settings here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then you go down here into your phone apps, click on it. Come to apps list and there you're looking for 7-Eleven. Just click on it here or click on search. Add here 7-Eleven is going to show for you like this. Click on it. You come to this list, click on for soap, click on OK. Then you go down, just click on storage. Come to storage is here, just click on clear cache. So then all you have to do next, you just go to your Play Store, click here on Play Store here. So then here you search for 7-Eleven app, it's going to show for you like this. You will find update here, click on it, then it's going to work with you. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.